The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a special marine warning for Lake Pontchartrain and Lake Maurepas until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 8 nautical miles north of Canada, moving northwest at 5 knots.
Oh, this is for
Hazard,
us.
waterspouts, wind gusts
5 minutes
34 knots
ago.
or greater, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels and oil rigs, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots and suddenly higher waves. Boats to sustain damage or capsize. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. A marine weather statement has been issued for the following areas: Lake Pontchartrain.